Alright, Jack, here's your 1/54 scale model of a Thomas Saf-T-Liner. This is the HDX. This is, again, all die-cast metal, except for the wheels and the base of the unit, the tires anyway. You've seen these before on my YouTube channel, and you've ordered one for, I'm just guessing, I'm going to go with a wedding cake topper for a bus driver. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, as a guess. Probably wrong, but anyway. Lights have been added to this. Like I said, again, it matches the videos that you've seen of this model. So I won't spend a whole lot of time on them, but steady headlights and tail lights. You also get steady front parking lights with this, and then separate switches for the reds and yellows, both of which are true alternating wig-wag style lights, just like a regular bus would have. Underneath, you'll see 3 switches. I won't even go into what the red and yellow tags are for. You can probably figure that one out. And then we have the center switch there, which is for the steady lights. To change the batteries in this is a little bit different than the FS65 that I do, because there's not much, we can't really do it inside because the windows are clear on it. This one here has a 9-volt battery inside. To change it, you'll take these 3 screws out. Easy enough to do. Okay, these wheels will just lift out. This whole black piece will lift out. Wires are connected in the front, so if you just flip this whole base over, just kind of do a 180 on it and flip it over, 9-volt batteries right here inside a little foam square that I put inside. Keep it from rattling around. So that's the wheels, by the way, not the, there we go, not the battery. So let's go ahead and turn on the steadies. Again, you see your headlights, inside park lights right there beside them. And you have, of course, your 2 tail lights on the rear, which is where tail lights go. That's where most people's tails are. Turn that off. Hit the yellows. Again, these are true alternating, so a nice steady pattern. Front and rear. You can turn those off and then hit our red. Same thing, except they're red. The rear, and I've mentioned it before, you can run them all if you want to. There's two separate circuit boards in there, which is why they have a different, like a flash rate to them. I probably could turn them off and on at the same exact time, and even still they wouldn't match up just because of the fact of the difference in the circuit boards. A little bit of tolerance between the resistors and stuff that I put on there, so that'll give different flash rates. And as I've shown before, you can use the steady lights along with the flashers, so everything still works. Of course, you can use the yellow ones with the headlights and taillights as well. So, anyway, there you have it, sir. I appreciate the order, and I'm glad I could get it done for you. I think that's once again, thank you very much. Sorry it's late, a little bit tongue-tied. Anyway, but thank you for the order.